What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you like classic cars, please hit the subscribe button. You can see all of our new inventory as we get in every week, and you can watch me and Chris go out and chase classic cars. Please subscribe today. We'll see you then. Let's go.
What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. I got a little warehouse walk for you today. We're going to go over some classic cars that we have for sale here in the warehouse. This is at our second location. We have two locations in Pennsylvania, suburb of Philadelphia, Langhorne, PA. So we're going to go over these cars, going to go through them quickly for you, kind of show you what we got and what we do. If you're interested in any, please give us a call, 215-801-9493. Or you can go to bobevansclassics.com. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button if you want to see all of our inventory as we get it in every single week. Plus, you can watch me and Chris go out chasing classic cars. Hit that subscribe button right now, guys. Go ahead, pause it, subscribe. Appreciate you checking us out. First one we got is this beautiful Chevy Camaro. This is a 4-speed with a 350. What do you guys think? 67, 68, or 69? It's a first generation. Leave a comment if you know the year. You can also go on our website, Bob Evans Classics, to look it up. I bought this from a client. If you look at our videos, you can see how I purchased it from him. He had it for 35 years, bought this in Alabama. It's driver quality. It's a nice car though. It runs really good. It's beautiful black with the gold stripe. There's no major damage on it. It's got a nice set of rallies on it. Interior's in pretty good shape. Next is this Corvette C3 1978 25th anniversary. It's got a 4-speed manual transmission, 350 engine, rally wheels, red on red. $9,000 buys this car. Headlights work. Not a bad car for the price. Next up, excuse me, 1965. It's titled a 65, but if anybody knows Mustangs, you know this is not a 65. It's got a 260 under the hood. It's actually a 1964 and a half. So this is an early production 65. This came from the factory. With the 260. You got power steering in this one. This is an F code. It's got these nice wheels. It's got no rust on it. It's in good condition. A couple little flaws, but overall a solid vehicle. Paint shines nice. Got this one listed for 20 grand. Next, I got this 65 Fairlane. Now this Fairlane has been on my lot the oldest out of all the cars I've had. I have here. It's got a 289 V8, not power steering, manual brakes. But I'm doing a special on this one. If you're interested in this, $15,000 free shipping anywhere in the US. I will get it delivered to your doorstep, $15,000, free shipping. There's no rot, no rust. It's a Southern car from South Carolina. It's got American racing wheels. Interior's in pretty good shape. It looks good. There's no major flaws on this car. Body's in good shape. 15 grand, free shipping. I always do free shipping on the car I've had the longest. If you're interested, let me know. Next, 1982 Chevy S10 mini truck. It's got a powerful 350 under the hood. About $20,000 was put in this truck to restore it and make it a nice racing truck. It's supposed to be doing under 11s. It's got these wide tires here in the back. This thing boogies. Very fast, very loud. $16,500 buys this truck. $16,500. Then I got a corner of Mustangs here. I got 4 Mustangs we'll go over. 67 C code Mustang, so just a 289. Power steering. What makes this car special, it's a one owner car. I have the original title from 1967. Gentleman purchased it for his daughter in high school, and she had it ever since. They were getting up in their age, and they decided to sell it to us, so I've had this in my personal collection. I love this car. This car drives perfect. Original engine, original transmission. It's been garage kept pretty much since new. I won't take a penny less than 34 grand on this one. And to be honest with you, you won't find another one owner, all documented car. It's still, I have the build sheet on it since new. I have the service paperwork since new. I have the dealer invoicing since 67, original title, all of it. As far as paperwork trail, you're not going to find another one like this. Now, I had the same type of story with this car. This is a 93 Fox body, 5.0. It's only got 40,000 original miles. This is a one owner car as well. Original paint, original condition, pretty much showroom condition. And this one is 25,000 or best offer. Factory sunroof. No rot, no rust. You are not going to find a cleaner Fox body in all the country. Just a real nice car. The previous owner put seat covers on it. The seats are in perfect condition. She was one of those owners that just did not want to have the seats get messed up or wrinkled. Very nice car. It's all there. Then I have a rare Mustang, actually a set of rare Mustangs. This is a 67 S code, which for my Mustang guys, you know what that means. It's a big block car, 390, V8, 4-speed, and what makes it so rare, you got factory bench seat and a vinyl top. This one's 37.5. Very rare Mustang. You just don't find these big blocks sitting all around town. Cool factory bench seat with the 4-speed. I've only had seen one other with the bench seat. Even got the original buck tag here, fender tag, which is cool. 1965 Ford Mustang GT 350 Tribute. This is a A-code, original A-code fastback. However, it's got a 289 hypo in it, 4-speed manual transmission. This thing has a pair on it. It drives nice and loud and fast. American racing wheels. It's got all the Shelby decals on it. It even has the Shelby tag over here. Completely restored rotisserie. All done. Nice Cobra engine. 4-speed. 57.5 buys this one. Nice set of rare Mustangs for you. This little corner is just a nice rare car. So that's one owner, big block, Shelby Tribute. And then over here, I got another rare one, a Cyclone. Beautiful Cyclone. Can you guess the year? Any takers? What do you guys think? 71 Mercury Cyclone. Another one owner car. Got all the documentation since new. Got the original build sheet. Got the original paperwork from the dealer. 351. Power steering car. Super rare. It's one of, I want to say, 400 cars built. I have the Marty report, I have to look. I don't know off the top of my head. This is a Cleveland, 351 Cleveland. 34.5. Pretty much original paint car, no rot, no rust. Garage kept since new. And then finally, I got a couple BMWs. Got this E30 here for 10 grand. It's a manual transmission. It's a nice, cool looking BMW. And then the holy grail of BMWs, if you're into this thing, this is a 1988 M3, E30 M3. It's got 150,000 miles on it. Absolutely gorgeous. Real nice car, $72,000. If you know what these cars are, they're very, very rare. And to finish it off, that BMW over there, it's a 135i for $15,000. I don't do a whole lot of them, but it's a cool car I bought and I've been driving.
Guys, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Let me know which one was your favorite. I'm working on buying more cars every day. We have our other lot. I'll do a video from there, but things are going well. We're selling so fast. Normally I have 20, 30 cars. Now I'm not able to keep more than 15. They just sell so quick. I appreciate your support. Please subscribe and you'll see us as we go out and chase classic cars. We're trying our best to keep up with it. We're trying to buy a little bit more rare cars like this. We do a lot of Fords, a lot of Mustangs. I'm working on getting some Chevys. I'm working on getting some Mopars. Everything just sells so fast before I'm able to make a lot of videos. So appreciate your support. Talk to you guys later.